So guys, I'm at What's Layout now. You can see everywhere how everywhere look like, so neat, so clean. This is What's Layout. This is What's Layout. Starting from Imsu Junction here. This is Imsu Junction. So I'll be going inside to show you guys how this area look like. The beautiful buildings. Not only World Bank that have beautiful place. Here in What's Layouts, they have beautiful views, beautiful buildings, areas that are more brighter, more neat, more clean. So guys, I'll be showing you guys all this video. Make sure you do like, share this video. This is What's Layout OWERRI. You can see the views, the environment. So I'll be going down to Avan side, that's FMC side, to show you guys everything I saw in this area. Today is Saturday, so I'm making this video to show you guys. People at home that didn't go to work, that didn't go to anywhere. So guys, let me show you guys What's Layout OWERRI, Imo State. Let me show you guys. Peace and love.